I know Greg's working on a design right now for World Cup nails. He is using the new Mission Control gel paints, which are launching. They've already launched. This video is going up on Monday. Today is Monday. Today's actually Wednesday, but it's Monday. And these are on sale, and they're up. And he's using them right now, and they're beautiful. Ooh, that is cool, man. What's the blob next to the thingy? That was an awful description. What's the... Let me try again. You have the painted nail, you have the solid nail, and you have that thing. What is that thing?
Oh, that's a blob.
That's a blob. I knew it. It's a blob.
I was trying something that didn't work out.
I can see that. No! God, I look tired and beaten, man. Jesus, look at these rings, dude. I look awful. I look like I have kids. Wait a second. I just want to point out that is a sculpture of Greg.
See if it fits in my body.
That's pretty rad. That's from one of our mentors. Let's see, bro. Hold on. Ready? And go.
Hey, man. Yeah. Y'all ready? Ready, baby. Get it. Go. Yeah.
The best part of it, it's a huge...
Hello?
Hello? Is there anybody out there? So he's going for like World Cup. He's trying to do some World Cup designs, logos, soccer balls, or as they say in Europe, football. But football to me is like football, right? Like we're American. So okay, Greg's playing with stuff. What's that one over there?
Those are Tracy's.
Ooh, those are killer. Is that for 4th of July?
Yeah.
Ooh, we got some sick 4th of July nails coming on 4th of July. And today is not 4th of July, today's the 2nd of July, which means nothing, except that it's 2 days before the 4th of July. And Tracy needs a drink, it says right here. That got changed, I didn't see that. Changing signs, Trace. You changed the sign, I see. Do you need a drink? Yeah? So, the new Mission Control kit is a 2-piecer. I don't know why that's funny, but it's a 2-piecer. Metal detector, it's gold and silver. The colors are crazy vibrant. If you have not checked it out, we did a Facebook Live on it. We are also gonna be featuring these in tons of different designs, probably for the next month. So look out for them, but you can go right now and get these on our website. They are for sale. They're amazing, and the deal is crazy. It's $14.95 for the 2 colors. Go now, get them, pick them up. You get to see the vibrancy that and the pigmentation is like crazy. And they're a little. Are they a little thick? They are. They got the same thickness, right?
Same viscosity.
Yeah, same viscosity.
I mean, obviously the gold mica and the silver mica that's used is really, really intense.
Yeah, super rich, right?
I mean, so even if you're painting out lines, the level of detail and intensity that you're going to see with this gold and silver is unbelievable.
Yeah, it's crazy. I can actually see it. And the silver also. We'll actually show those. That's cool, man. Greg's doing a little design with the soccer ball, and it looks pretty cool. One of these days, you got to do me. Can you sculpt my face?
Sure.
And I know it's gonna be a giant turd. He's gonna draw a giant turd on a nail and say, "Here you go, dude, I did a sculpture of you."
all your clients that are soccer fans is going to hook them up for their country's team.
Goal! I'd like to shoot the vlog and the 2 nail schools. Plus I have a meeting at 3 o'clock as well. So we gotta hustle, man. We really have to move our boots. We gotta move. We have to hustle.
One condition,
Did I never do that again?
ever. Nope. Deal's off.